Together Miami provides free home repairs to low-income, elderly, veteran, and disabled homeowners throughout Miami-Dade County. We're working with the Office of Ken Russell in the City of Miami to renovate 6 homes here in the historic West Grove.
Taking consideration of those who really need it, and they saw that I really needed it. And they sent a crew out to assist me and to help me make my house look nice in the neighborhood.
It means something to us when you work on a project like this, different ethnic groups coming together for one purpose, and that's rebuilding together.